What is good, YouTube? Project Garage here, back again with another banger. Check this out. So a lot's been going on recently. I've been in the studio a lot more than I've been in my car, which is very funny. So today we actually have a special adventure we're about to do, and today I'm gonna make this video more so about the Coupe. I have two cars, a BMW E36 328IS and a BMW E36 328i 4-door. I got something over there sitting in the cut. Y'all haven't seen it yet. A couple people on Instagram have, my Snapchat has, so go add my Instagram and Snap Island Meadow so y'all can keep up and see everything first. We're getting ready to head to the junkyard to go get some more parts, but that's all I'm gonna say. And I'm gonna show you guys the Coupe, and then when I get back home, you guys can see what I got. Car we're focusing on today, the 328IS Coupe. So I don't know if it's open, but I'll take a little peek. I got the air box, so I just gotta put it back on. I think they pulled the motor, but it looks pretty fresh. The head looks pretty fresh. Everything looks fresh. All the gaskets look new. So I think it's worth doing what I'm doing to it, and it cranks right up when I want to, or needed to, rather. Interior is really clean. I just gotta get a new door panel or fix that one up somehow. E46 front seats, automatic. Everything works. It's automatic, but today's video will explain what we're doing. So don't worry, don't worry. On the dash, it says 99,000 miles. The motor, I don't know, it might have 96 or so. It's a clean car though. So let's go get these parts. I might be getting a spark plug and coil pack video real soon, because this thing is, sounds like a misfire, but I'm not sure what it is. I gotta figure it out. I haven't done the research yet, but I'm on the way to pick up a friend, and then we'll hit the junkyard, so see y'all there. Okay, Q, pull your own part, motherfucker. Finna go get some parts. I wonder if I can, oh, you can't park in the front because it's not customer parking. Okay, let's find a parking space. We're gonna go inside and we have to pay, and then we get our part. So I'll see you guys inside. All right, this is the car we're getting the parts from. It's a 325/93. Whoever sold this, we're gonna have to throw hands, bro, because I'm pretty sure everything in there was in good condition before it came here. But like, if you can tell, there's no body damage, man. There's no body damage. There's a little rust in the trunk, but who doesn't have a little rust in the trunk? Look at this thing, man. Whoever sold this, we got a box. We got to scrap it out. But anyways, you see that's missing. The transmission is missing because I have it in my house, okay? So I came here to get the drive shaft and the other parts that I'm gonna need. They don't have the slave, they have the clutches, but I don't think I'll be reusing those. They're only like $100. Radiator's fine, and the clutch fan, so that's awesome. But yeah, I'm kind of pissed that this car went to shit like this. 4-door E36, look at the interior. The seats are, this one's bad, but that one's okay. The back seats are reusable. I guess I could use these door panels. Look at these rear seats though. I'm definitely taking these bad boys. Yep, these are coming home when they pop up. Yep. So I'll get those later. Don't let me forget, guys. But let's start on this drive shaft. Okay. All right, so you see that? There's the transmission where it used to mount up at. And all the way back goes the drive shaft, and the little shifter goes in here. See? Hello, inside the car. I'm taking this drive shaft here. I need this because I think the transmission is shorter on the manuals, so I'm taking this drive shaft, and I might take this bracket. It's a little fucked up, but I might take it just in case. So yeah, I'm gonna hand you guys off to Freddie. This. I see that cutter. Just rip this shit off. Around you. Got the dry shaft out. Y'all see it, y'all see it. Y'all can't see me though. This is the dry shaft. Connects to the rear diff. The Weibo's still good. Little bearing in there. This is the part, if y'all beamer heads, like if your car keeps making noise, it's this part right here. This part is going bad. Because this thing is a bearing in it. Once this goes bad, it slaps around inside of this little joint and causes all types of noises. So that's why your car is so loud. Or your drive shaft's bent. This whole thing is bent. That could be it too. Mine is bent in my 4-door and it makes terrible noises. Yeah. Really nothing to it. Okay. Loaded down, parts everywhere. I'm on the way back to the house to drop all this stuff off, and then I might have to go back to the junkyard because they actually have another car that I can get parts off of, so I'm kind of excited for that. So I might run back to the junkyard, who knows. Okay, we're back home. We got the center drive shaft. We have the thing to mount up and hold everything. We have the clutch pedals, and the most important part, the transmission with the shifter. I did shift the gears. I'll let you guys hear them too. Feels pretty good. You can do it with my hand. You know, it's not too bad. This Weibo is still on here, which is cool. Feels pretty solid. All the bushings are on here, but I still want to do polyurethane, get it sandblasted. So we made it back to the crib. I hope you guys enjoyed me going out there and go getting the rest of the parts. I'm so excited. You have no idea. I can't wait. Man, last peep at the car right there. Ooh, it's coming soon, it's coming soon. Man, I'm about to do spark plugs, so y'all see that video next.